Hello everyone. Today I am going to talk about the very recurrent topic, precision agriculture. I think we all know what are the traditional methods of doing the cultivation of crops or making the agriculture as business or whatever we are doing in the agriculture is, I think we are still using the conventional practices. So what is the precision farming making difference in the agriculture? So let me talk about a little bit about the conventional practices. If we talk about the cultivation, so for the cultivation, the tool we are using, the tool are like wooden plow or the bell gadis or the normal tractors we are using. But in precision agriculture, what is the precision agriculture? If we talk about the one word precision, precision it directly indicates the things at very right manner, but in precision agriculture, we are mostly using the advanced technologies in the farming in the sector of agriculture. So, beside talking about the conventional agriculture, I am just coming to the precision farming or the precision agriculture. So, precision farming is also known as smart agriculture, or we can say digital agriculture. It is a revolutionary approach to modern farming that utilizes cutting edge technologies to optimize agricultural practices by applying the right inputs at the right time, in the right amount, in the right place. Okay, Joseph, can you mute yourself? Because there's very high noise from your side. Okay, thank you. So, by applying the right inputs at the right time, the right amount in right place. So, if we apply the every input in at right time and right amount, so what we will get? Our resources will be saved, our inputs efficiency is maximized, and the productivity and sustainability is also at higher level. So before coming to the next slide, I will explain a little bit about productivity and sustainability. If we talk about production and productivity, sometimes we think these are the same terms, but production and productivity are both different terms. Production is the our total output from a field, or we can say from every sector. It's our total output is our product. But if we talk about productivity, so the productivity is the total production or the production per unit hectare. So what we are producing in a unit hectare or in a particular unit, that is our productivity. And if I talk about sustainability, so sustainability is saving the resources for our upcoming generation or the future generation. So as per the current scenario of agriculture, I think sustainability is the most important issue because we are utilizing the resources not in a right manner. We are exploiting them. So for our future generation, I think nothing will be the left. So our main aim must be sustainability. So next, if I coming to the next slide.
Mr. Mohit, your slides, yeah, now it has moved.
I think the
Yeah,
PPT is
now it
visible.
has moved.
Okay, okay.
3 hours of precision farming.
Yes, yes, yes.
Yeah, okay.
So if and just previous I told you about the 3 hours, that right input, right amount, right place. We can also make it as 5 hours of precision agriculture, like right input, right amount, right place, at right manner. So these like nothing change at the right time, right manner, right place, right amount, right input. Everything we have to use precisely. So just make it clear in your mind that precision means the accuracy or the right thing. So if you talk about right input, like for precision farming, ensure that the right input such as fertilizer, pesticides, water are applied to the right areas of field on the specific needs of the crop and soil conditions. Now, we are applying the fertilizers, pesticides in a right amount or right input. So in conventional practices, we use like broadcasting. So in broadcasting, we are just throwing the pesticide randomly, scattered. So it is not helping the plants to get that right input because very much resources are exploited at extreme level. So this is why precision farming is important. Now, let me talk about the right amount. If you use a conventional practices like a fertilizer spreader or a cultivator or cultivating seeds through the means of broadcasting, so there are nothing, the amount is fixed. Like if we say, if I talk about the wheat cultivation, so in wheat group there is a fixed amount, like you have to give the seeds like 110 kg per hectare. This is the average amount we have to throw the seeds or broadcast the seeds. But through precision agriculture, this amount can be minimized as much as 60 to 65 kg per hectare. So you can see that 45 kg of seeds are reduced. This is why we have to apply in the right amount. So by using advanced technology like sensors, data analytics, precision farming determines optimal amount of inputs required, reducing waste and minimizing environmental impact. You everyone aware of the that organic farming is still a challenge in India, that we have to adopt the organic farming, but we are not lefting our conventional practices because we are using the chemicals, pesticides or fertilizer. They are harming our environment, harming our bodies. This is why the precision farming comes here to minimize that. Now, coming to the next point, right palace. What is the right palace? Like same example, broadcasting. If we do broadcasting, there is a nothing like we have to give in at a roots or near the root zone of plant. We are just randomly scattering the seeds or the fertilizers or the pesticides, so that fertilizer pesticide maybe come in the broader area, or that do not directly contact with the plants, so that is eventually a loss of our fertilizer or pesticide. So in that thing, precision farming utilize GPS and GIS technologies to map the field and apply input precisely to the areas that need the most, ensuring efficient resource collaboration. So what is GPS and GIS? I will come within a second. So this is how the rise of precision agriculture or the precision farming happens. In 1980, the term precision farming first came into use in the United States in the early 90s. In United States, farmers began to explore the potential of modern agriculture technologies to improve their agricultural practices. So you can just imagine that how United States or America or the foreign world, how they are in front of us. Like in 1980, they know the term precision farming, but still in India, many of the person are unaware of it. What is precision agriculture? So in 1990s, adoption started. Like if any term or any new technology, any new invention came into the uh, topic of the talk, they must take minimum 5 to 10 years to come in the adaptation. So through the 1990s, precision farming techniques gain a wide spread adoption as farmers recognize the benefits of using tools GPS, GIS, VRT to optimize their operation. So in 1990s, farmers thought that if we move from the conventional practices, how precision agriculture will help us. So precision agriculture given them the better productivity, better resource allocation. So they started adopting. If we talk about the today's scenario, if we think that precision agriculture is costly, it will not help in India, whatever. So that are the senseless topic. That a how a technology can be insufficient or much expensive in terms of money, but it is not expensive in the terms of productivity. Like in today, we everyone knows that there are 169 million hectare land we are using as a agriculture practices. So in there are almost 75% farmers are marginal farmers. It means they have less than 1 hectare land. So in this less than 1 hectare, how they will use the broader machines, how they will use the large tractors, and if they're only 1 hectare land, how they will maximize their productivity, how they will maximize their production. So overcome these problems, we need precision agriculture. Now, coming to the role of AI in precision farming. Okay, so still that we know about what is the precision farming, how it is helping in the precision farming, how it is helping the farmers. So now we will talk about what is the role of AI in precision farming. So before coming directly to the role of precision farming, I will talk a little bit about what is the need of AI in precision farming, because precision farming not a very new topic. It is almost used by the farmers in Punjab and Haryana from 2013 to 14. So what is the need of AI now? As we know, many of our farmers in India are illiterate, or they do not know about the technology, what the technology they are using, what is the function of it, if they are using any equipment, how the equipment is working. So let me give you one example. A farmer is having borewell and having a submersible water, and he installed a drip irrigation. Drip irrigation always a precision agriculture technology. So he installed a drip. Now he don't know how to operate it. How much amount of water he have to give the plants? What is the right time to do the irrigation? Now AI will play a great impact here. AI know that how much water we have to give to the plant, what is the right time to give the irrigation, what are the critical stages of plant. So we put a sample data to calibrate the AI, and the now further thing AI will do by itself. So farmer just have to click the button of electricity, and the AI will do its own work. So this is the need of AI in precision agriculture. So if talk about the role of AI in precision agriculture, so first one is data analytics. What is what will the mean by data analytics? Okay, in simple terms, if I have to explain you, data is the something that plant provide in terms of quantity, like how much irrigation plant needs, how much pesticide plant needs, what are the soil requirements of the plant. For a normal farmer, it is impossible to interpret that data. So AI will interpret that data and provide us the accurate information about the irrigation, pesticide, fertilization, about the critical irrigation stages, and whatever. So AI algorithms can quickly analyze large and complex data sets gathered from various sources such as drones, sensors, weather stations to provide valuable insights for decision making. Now, there is a one word decision making. That we know that AI is interpreting data, but how it is helping in decision making. So now precision agriculture and AI integration have many components. Like a model or a equipment can be fully automatic, can be manual, can be half automatic. So in data analysis, AI collect the data of whole farm, that how much amount the fertilizer needed, the pesticide needed, what are the different area of field where the more fertilizer needed, or how much seed we have to scatter, or we have to sow the plants to get the maximized yield. Now, AI will interpret this data and tell the numbers to the farmer. Now farmer will decide that how many fertilizer we I will apply, so it will reduce my cost. Now second is predictive capabilities. As I talk about the predictions, AI powered system can predict crop yields, identify the potential pest and disease outbreaks, optimize irrigation pattern, helping farmers make more informed decisions. Now there is a two terms: potential pest and disease outbreaks and the crop yields. Now we know that there are some disease or pests that occur every season or every time when we grow that crop. So AI will analyze the past data or the current scenario and give the predictive capabilities, or the give the accurate prediction that how much um, pesticide is needed against that pest, or how much fertilizer needed to grow the crops, and how much chemicals we needed to control that disease. However, AI also help in the prediction of organic fertilizers that if we give this much organic fertilizer, it will also help us. Now, third one is automation and optimization. As we know that I think all of us are using the AI as of now. So in past time, we do the calculation by hand. Then we came into the calculator, then the digital calculator, now AI. Now AI, we have to just give a sentence that this is my question, just give it. So that will automatically give us the answer. We do not need to search on the Google, or we do not need to use any modern tool for that. Just a one application AI we can use. Like there are only two main AI as of now, chat gpt, google word, some more like perplexity, or we can say the homework dot study. So now AI enabled technologies such as tractors, drones can automate various farm tasks, while AI algorithms can optimize the application of input like fertilizer, pesticide, and water. Now, everything everyone know about the Tesla. Tesla have automatic cars. They do not use and they do not need any driver. So as like that, we AI can help the tractors to modify the tractors to a autonomous tractors and drones. They do their work automatically. No need of farmer to sit on the seat of tractor and the manually adjust the depth of the cultivator or a harrow. Now, fourth is sustainable practices. Sustainability is a major issue, major challenge, or the major concern of our generation. So, by reducing the use of harmful chemicals and prompting efficient resource allocation, AI driven precision farming techniques can contribute to more sustainable and environmentally friendly agriculture practices. Sustainably come across with a one word: environmental friendly and the resource minimization. Now, if I talk about, like I explained that AI help in this. Now these are the actual tools where AI is helping us. First one is variable rate technology. If I talk about the conventional cultivators, you think that we have to just fill that cultivator with the seeds and go when a tractor is moving. That cultivator drop the seeds at the same rate. There is a no change of rate that if we just tractor go on a curve or go on a high land, their rate will be the same. But due to the VRT, variable rate technology, the word explain itself. Like in a like in a field, in a area of a particular field, there is a there is a no need of the fertilizer. Like there is a enough amount of nitrogen amount in the soil, so there is a no need of nitrogenous fertilizer. So variable rate technology with the help of AI allow us or the interpret the data and make aware of it that that area do not need any fertilizer or any nitrogenous fertilizer. So in that area we will not apply any nitrogenous fertilizer. Same goes to the pesticide, disease, or the seeds. So they like VRT allows farmers to apply variable rate of input such as fertilizer, pesticide across different parts of the field based on the specific needs, optimizing resource use. So if we know about that there is a specific use of this fertilizer at this place only, so we will not apply that fertilizer at any other place. So it will optimize the resource use and minimize the exploitation. Now this VRT can come across as a device, or it also can be implemented in the conventional cultivators also. Now second part is remote sensing. I think remote sensing, let me talk about the remote sensing. So, remote sensing is collecting the data from anything like soil, plant, human, environment, anything without touching it. Sense, remote sensing, like without direct contact, without touching, we collect the data. So, how we will collect the data? There must be some equipments. So, these equipments are satellites, drones, mainly these two we are using. One more device is there, RTK, real time kinetics. That device is used to interpret the data from satellite. So these include satellites and drones to collect data on soil, crop health, environmental condition, which AI algorithm can analyze to guide decision making. Now, there is a first and most role is decision making that allow farmers to optimize allocation of their resources. Now, third is GPS and GIS. Sometimes we think that GPS and GIS are same, but no. GPS stands for Global Positioning System and GIS stands for Geographic Information System. GIS is a broader term. It can also include GPS, GIS, it also include GPS, remote sensing, or any other technology. But GPS only stands for positioning. Now, you think that what is the use of GPS in a field? It is used to the field mapping and the integration of various data resources to optimize input application and improve overall farm productivity. Now coming to the smart irrigation, as already I have given example. So smart irrigation is what? Like in my field, I have 100 plants. Every plant is of like different in different mechanism. Like if we talk about I have five wheat plants. In 5-year plan, maybe some plant do not occur with the pest or disease outbreak. So if that plant doesn't occur with the pest and disease outbreak, that plant do not need any pesticide or do not use any fertilizer application. Same comes with the irrigation. Like if that plant do not need the much amount of irrigation, so through the help of AI and precision agriculture technologies, we will not provide the much amount of water to that plant. So now it will help to minimize the loss of water. As we all know, there is a subsequent loss of water is going on. As we know, the Bengaluru crisis, there is no water for the drinking. So this is how the AI is helping in the minimizing the loss of water. Now coming to the precision farming entrepreneurship. If as of now we know about what is precision farming, what is AI, what is their collaboration, how together they are helping in education. That was the farmer perspective. Now, if as a MBA student or the agriculture graduate, if they want to start their own entrepreneurship, so how this technology will help them, or through the help of this technology, how they can conquer in the business of that. So first one is AI powered digital marketplaces. We are aware of that there are many digital marketplaces. They are selling their products online, so entrepreneurs can create digital markets that directly connect farmers and consumers using AI algorithms to analyze demand, supply, and logistics to minimize food waste and ensure transparency. Now, every consumer, there is a major concern that what are the ingredients in that product or from where that product is coming. Mostly, we are purchasing products through a middleman. So, through the online marketplaces, the producer directly connect with the farmers and consumers, and they can directly talk in between that what is the food, what are the ingredients, what are the practices that are occurred in the cultivation of that product. Now AI is also helping in analyzing the demand, supply, and logistics through the various data available on internet, and it also helps in logistic or supply chain management. Third, livestock management. Like I want to start my own entrepreneur idea, so I can use the livestock management. As you know, there are Amul Dairy, Varka Dairy, Mother Dairy, Saras Chat, everything. There are many dairy companies. They have much amount of livestock. So how they are managing that? So through the AI based application, we can track the health, feeding habits, productivity of livestock, providing real time insights to the farmers and optimizing dairy and husbandry management. Now, some we can also start the farming startups. Now there is a one word government subsidies. So how you thought that government is helping the precision agriculture? So we will come to the this topic after some time. So now we'll talk about the future of precision farming. As we know, precision farming is at very initial stage. Farmers are not aware of it. Even some agriculture graduates are not aware of it. So what is the future? So through the precision farming, first is autonomous farming. Self-driving tractors and AI-powered robots will revolutionize crop cultivation, fertilizer application, harvesting, improving efficiency, and reducing human labor. However, it is a drawback or limitation or disadvantage. We can say that reducing human labor. Sustainable ecosystems, as we also know that sustainability means reducing the waste, promoting environmental sustainability and resource conservation. That is integrated technologies like such advanced technologies, drones, information of technology, IoT, Internet of Things, AI will continue to enhance the capabilities of precision farming, driving further advancement in the field. Now, some barriers. Accessible financing. We all know that if our farmers are marginal farmers, they have less than 1 million hectare land. So how they are rich? They are not rich farmers at all. So accessible financing. So a cost is major issue that we need to minimize the cost of the precision agriculture technology. How this can be happen through the government subsidies or the further inventions. So providing affordable financing option and subsidies can help small scale and marginal farmers to overcome the initial investment hurdle associated with the AI driven agriculture technology. Now, third is targeted training. We have to launch some training programs so that farmers are aware of these technologies. Third one is collaborative ecosystem, fostering partnership between farmers, technology providers, and government agencies can create a supportive ecosystem that address the unique challenges faced by different stakeholders and ensure wide spread of this technology. Now, what are the scenarios of precision farming agriculture? Challenges we already studied that small and marginal farming, limited access to technology, and affordable solutions. As in the previous slide, there is a one topic government subsidy. So central government of India provide 50% subsidy for micro irrigation technique in precision farming. This subsidy is provided under MIP, Micro Irrigation Program. The total cost is approximately 80,000 per hectare. Along with that, 60,000 rupees per year will be provided to all small and marginal farmers under Pradhan Mantri Kisan Samman Nidhi (PM Kisan). There is a one case study also about Maharashtra. In India, only Maharashtra is the only state who take a note on precision agriculture. So this plan on agriculture will be implemented by Maharashtra Remote Sensing Application Center with the help of ISRO. ISRO stands for Indian Space Research Organization. So in this plan, the state government is providing financial support up to 10 million to the group of 20 farmers, collectively holding less than 100 acres. Main objective of this plan to predict the right crop cultivation, use of drone technology, and support the farmers for their startups. Now, benefits of the precision agriculture, we already done with that. These are some insights we can take on the agriculture revolution. That how agriculture is revolutionizing from the conventional practices to the modern practices. Now, some success stories like precision farming with the help of drones. So what we can do with the help of drones? We can spray our fertilizers, we can broadcast the seeds, we can analyze any disease or any symptoms that occur due to disease. Then second is AI powered decision support. Like in Maharashtra, small scale farmers have embraced AI driven decision support systems that analyze market trends, weather patterns, and crop yield data to help them make informed choices about their cultivation, their sales strategies. That is intelligent irrigation management. So, you know the major drip irrigation you use in Rajasthan. So, the farmers in Rajasthan have implemented AI controlled smart irrigation systems which have significantly reduced water uses and improved crop yields while also helping them to adopt the technology, adopt the groundwater levels or the tube wells or the ground wells. So, guys, this was from my side. Any further questions?
Thank you, Mr. Mohit, for the presentation. Now I'll take up some questions and can you stop sharing your screen and on your video if you are comfortable with it?
Okay, give me a second.
Yeah, okay. I can see.
Yeah.
Yeah, you can stop the screen sharing also.
Okay, okay, okay.
Okay. Yeah. So first I'll start with Mr. Vijay. Any questions you would like to ask?
Uh, Thank you. Actually, I have nothing much from my side except that the irrigation part, which he actually spoke, was very good, and probably a little more detailing on the theory part was very strong, but the practical part, probably some more exposure would have helped actually. But anyway, he has given a very overall view has been very good. Thank you.
Okay. Okay. Uh, yeah. Okay, so my first question is, can you explain how precision farming and AI integrations are currently transforming agriculture?
Okay, as I talk in my presentation, that this is at a very initiative stage. I think some farmers or some agriculture graduates or most of them are aware about the precision agriculture, that what are the precision agriculture technologies, what are their uses. But the integration of AI, it is a very new and hot topic of this current modern agriculture. So AI and precision farming agriculture technologies, they are integrating or collaborating with each other. Now, let me give you an example like VRT in variable rate technology applicator. Like I think I am, or as a perspective of farmer, I am applying fertilizer. So in previous time, we have to interpret the data or calibrate the data of in VRT applicator, that this much is the data we got from the field, and now we have to apply the fertilizer accordingly. But through the help of AI and AI machine, we can attach with the VRT. So through that, they analyze the automatically what is the condition of field, how they are, how the plants are getting the fertilizers, what is the actual resourcing that soil, that how soil is behaving on the fertilizers. So through that, we can say that AI is transforming the precision farming.
Okay. And yeah, what are some practical examples of how farmers are implementing precision farming techniques with AI technologies?
Okay, so this is a very good question, that how farmers are adopting it. As per the current scenario of India, we have 75% marginal farmers. Marginal farmer means less than 1 million hectare land. So there is a much lack of finance with them. So government is trying to make them aware about it. They are continuously conducting the training programs. They are providing the subsidies like more than 50%. So through these some programs or the subsidies, government of India or the central government is making aware farmers. But if I talk about the adoption rate, This is around less than 1% that farmers are not adopting it. Main reason is farmers are illiterate. They are not aware about it. They don't know how to use it. Although through the help of AI, it is much easy to use, but farmers are not friendly with the tech gadgets. So this is a major challenge, or we can say the major issue. However, the next generation of farmers, for our generation, it is easy to understand what is AI, what is precision agriculture technology, which gadgets we have to use. So this would be easy, and this is the future plan of our central government of India, to implement the precision agriculture, the precision farming. As of now, farmers are not adopting it much, but current stats say that the Haryana is the most adopting state in the India to adopt the precision agriculture technology. However, Maharashtra government is the only one state government who done the subsidy scheme apart from the central India. So this is the adoption rate, but in India overall, farmers are not adopting due to the marginal fields, or the less fields, or the lack of financial.
Okay. And how accessible are these technologies to small scale farmers, particularly in rural areas?
Okay, accessibility is like through the online mode only. Let me give you the example of one agriculture company I seen in the Shark Tank recently, Cryzen Biotech. So what that company do? They provide the hydroponics, or we can say the protected cultivation, poly houses. So they have some tools like analyze the market trends, the possibilities, the future prediction for their yield and for their money, that how much output they will get, how much benefit will that. So this is a scenario that we can contact that companies to come in our area and apply the modern practices. If we talk about I am a normal farmer, I don't want to go in a company, I don't want to pay them a fee, so I can manually purchase the technologies, that I go to the some online website, I purchase a drone, I purchase a VRT applicator in my field. Now I am using that with my tractor. So for that we have some tools, like they connect with the tractor and VRT both, and now I can use that technology. If we talk about, if farmer do not have any knowledge about it, so that farmer can go to KVK, get some knowledge about the precision agriculture, that how he can use through it, and after getting some knowledge, they can access it. These are the some ways how a farmer in rural area can access it.
Okay. What are the main benefits that farmers can expect to see from adopting precision farming and AI integration?
Okay, first one is the reduced use of chemical fertilizer. From the white revolution, or sorry, from the green revolution, the use of chemical pesticide is very much. So some farmers and many of the farmers are not ready to accept it, that we have to minimize the pesticides. So through these technology, we can reduce the use of chemical pesticide, that will help in environmental sustainability. Sustainability should be our major goal, so that we can save the resources for our future generations. Next, they can expect is productivity. Production per hectare is increased around 37 to 38% by using the means of precision agriculture technology. Third, use it with the help of AI. They do not need any human labor. Through the help of AI, they can interpret the data, they can use their data in the real life, and they can make the decision on the farm for their allocation of the resources. So these are some major points where farmer can expect from the precision agriculture.
Okay. Next question. Are there any specific crops or regions where these technologies have shown particularly promising results?
Yes, yes, yes. Mainly, if I talk about the VRT, that is the major technology of precision farming yet. So VRT is helping in the main crop like some maize, sorghum, per millet. Like per millet is the crop of arid region. We cannot grow per millet in the rainfed areas or the through irrigation. So mainly in Rajasthan, the farmers are cultivating per millet. So in the per millet, there is a broader distance. So VRT can help the farmers of Rajasthan to optimally allocation of their seeds, their irrigation, their particular fertilizer or pesticide. So, and if I talk about the sensor remote sensing, that is particularly helping in the horticulture crops or vegetable crops. They are sensing that how much moisture they need, how much irrigation they need, is there any occurrence of pest and disease. So mainly if I talk about the crops, that must be any border, matlab crops have some wider area of cultivation or their spacing should be wider, and their horticulture and vegetable crops that are main consumer of that precision agriculture technology.
Okay. What are some of the challenges that farmers might face when transitioning to precision farming methods?
There are major challenges. First is size of land holding. If you talk about land holding that is less than 1 hectare of many marginal farming, so in less than 1 hectare, they cannot adopt the precision agriculture technology. So to overcome this, they have to collaborate with the other farmers, and they like collaborate with 20 to 50 farmers, then they can adopt the precision agriculture technology. Next one is awareness. Farmers are not aware of it. Third one is technical knowledge. Farmers are illiterate. They do not having the technical knowledge. They do not have access to the gadgets. Third one is the if I talk about the lands that we are have uneven lands in India, not even lands. So in uneven lands, there is a limitation that farming precision agriculture technologies are not adapt to that area. So we have must be even land. These are some major challenges while farmers are facing.
Okay. And how do you see the future of agriculture evolving with the continued advancement of AI and precision farming technologies?
Okay, okay, I have one example of it. A farmer of Haryana in Narwana district, they made a autonomous tractor with the help of precision agriculture tools. So through the main feature is autonomous tractors. We can use autonomous tractors. We will just give them the data with the help of AI, and the tractor will do the work by itself. Second, if I talk about the main is still we are somewhat lacking in sustainability. So major future aspect of the precision agriculture technologies to achieve that sustainability. Somewhat, I think that precision agriculture technology should be collaborative with the conventional practices. So these are some future aspects where the precision agriculture will work.
Okay. Yeah. Um, are there any environmental benefits associated with precision farming and AI integration?
Hmm, not some. There are many environmental aspects they are associated with. That is, if we are reducing the use of chemical fertilizer, so what it will do? It will help the soil conservation. It will increase the groundwater level. It will reduce the harmfulness in our body. It will also reduce the cost. So through these some environmental impacts, we can say that the precision agriculture technologies are helping the environment.
Okay. And What role do data analytics play in optimizing agriculture practices within this context?
Can you say it again?
What role do data analytics play in optimizing agricultural practices within this context?
Okay, so data analytics. Like farmers in traditional time, farmers used to collect the data that how much rain is today, what how much irrigation I had applied, how much fertilizer I had applied, how much fertilizer I have to apply. They have to calculate it manually. So with the help of precision agriculture and AI integration, AI directly analyze the data that how what is the condition of field, what is the soil moisture present in the field, and through these some particular points, the AI is helping the farmers to allocate the resources with the help of data analytics. They are providing accurate data to the farmers that apply this much fertilizer only, this much irrigation you have to apply, this is the condition of your field, this much pesticide you have to apply. So in this context, data analytics is helping the farmers.
Okay. And last question, how can farmers stay updated and informed about the latest developments and best
Yeah,
practices
give
in
me a second.
precision farming and AI integration?
So as we know that most of the farmers are in rural area. So the most easy way to access about the technology is go to the KVK, Krishi Vigyan Kendra. They will make you aware about it, that what is the precision agriculture technology, how it is, how it will help you. Next, you can browse through the internet. Internet is the major source of information as of now. You can browse through the internet. You can use the newspapers. In newspapers there are some articles coming weekly, that what is the AI agriculture, what are the some advancement in the agriculture. You can also take the help of some agriculture graduate if they are present in that area. You can also take the help of extension advisor, that are the particular agriculture degree holder, make aware to the farmer by door to door. So through these some points you can be aware of the technology.
Okay. Okay, Mr. Mohit. I don't see any more questions from our participants. So before we end, Mr. Vijay, anything from your side?
Yeah, I just wanted to add, he gave very good points. One point is nowadays for this adoption of precision farming, subscription models are helping a lot actually. That is one thing where farmers are not able to afford, like you said, the first cost is very high. So like a yearly cost, that cost will not be much. So that is helping in the irrigation sector. That is one. And we have FPOs in addition to KVKs. If we can tie up with FPOs and aggregators, that will also help in a long way. And definitely in the coming generations, the younger generation, definitely AI will play a very important role, like he said. And it's a matter of time, like when the digital age started, the mobiles and all, and it took some time, it's basically going through that learning curve. And once the adoption starts, like now we know how many people are adopting, having smartphones even in the villages. So, and now all irrigation is controlled with the help of a smartphone. So it's only a matter of time, and particularly in down south, in many states like Tamil Nadu, Karnataka, precision farming has started. It's a matter of time. I think eventually it's going to be the future of ag tech revolution. Yeah. Thank you.
Yeah,
Yeah.
thank you for your point.
Yeah. Okay. Okay, Mr. Mohit. So now we have come to end of question round. On behalf of agricultureinformation.com, we like to thank you for a detailed presentation answering all the questions. And we also like to thank Mr. Vijay, and the questions were from our editorial team has been answered well. So we'll end this meeting now. Have a good
Okay.
evening. Thank you. Bye-bye, Mr. Vijay.